Good day, everyone. My name is Sam, and let me officially welcome you to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will promise to be giving you necessary information as regards electricity and the maintenance of electronics in your house. Today, I have an interesting topic which I believe you will enjoy listening to, and the topic is usefulness of electrical schematic design. When we're talking about electrical schematic design, it is one aspect of design of the house. You could see that when a building wants to start, there is something we call an architectural design. An architectural design we show the floor plan, we show the elevations, the front elevation, the back view elevation, the front and the left elevation, and also the roof plan. So after the architectural design, then we have what we call an electrical schematic design and also a mechanical schematic design. But the purpose of this video is just to explain to you the usefulness of one aspect of this design, which is electrical schematic design. What do you mean by electrical schematic design? Schematic design is a concise connected symbols used to show the functional relationship of the parts of the electrical component in the house. For example, your switch, your socket, the bulb, and the switch, how they are connected together. So that's what we mean by electrical schematic design. And we want to talk about the importance, about its usefulness in the house. The number one usefulness of this electrical schematic design is that it makes maintenance very, very easy. You can see that when you have a plan for a particular project, this is the plan that we use when you are doing the installation. And the installation is actually going. You can see that when you are done with the work, then after some years, and they want to do a maintenance in the house. So once there is electrical schematic design, either the electrician, the technician that did the electrical installation, either the man is around or not, any technician you bring into the house, once you can provide the electrical schematic design from the guy, and he actually understands, he studies it and understand what they are drawn there, we could see that it will make the maintenance very easy for him because the way they connected all the appliances in the house, all the electronics in the house, the sockets, the switch, the bulb, and every other electrical appliances in the house, the schematic design shows it and it makes the work very, very easy for him. You can see that under no time, the guy will finish his work and he will be done. That's number one. Then number two, importance of electrical schematic design is for authorization. You can see in the normal construction settings, if you want the town planning unit of your state or the federal to approve your plan before you start the execution, there is need for you to have the architectural design, there is need for you to have the mechanical design, and there is also need for you to have the electrical schematic design that we're actually talking about. So if all these plans are not complete, we can see that the authorization body, they will not approve your plan. And that's why you will see that some plans that they started without approving. So when you are going maybe in your area or you see some project, they will put stop work there. Something like a cross sign that they will put stop work there. So that's what it means that the design, the plan have not been authorized by the legalized body. So for the authorization purpose, so electrical schematic design is highly needed and is very, very important. Then the number three, which is the last point for today, is for loan purpose. You can see that we have some massive buildings for industries, for residential buildings also that are massive, like poultries, like massive buildings. So, and the money to start the project, you might not have it. You might want to borrow the money from the bank, from financial institution, or from even from personal people. So there is need for you to provide all this design, the architectural, the mechanical, and electrical schematic design, so that the person that wants to give you the loan will know that you are serious. So because that's what will be the working drawing. Then it is that design that the quantity surveyor will now use to prepare what we call the bill of quantities. And it is this bill of quantities that will tell you the cost of the materials, the cost of the project, and the cost of the building. So for loan purpose, this electrical schematic design is highly needed. If their designs are not complete. They could see that the regulatory body, they could see that the loan body, they will not be able to give you because they will think that you are not serious. They don't actually know what you are doing. But once all the drawings, all the designs are complete, within a twinkling of an eye, you see that your loan will be approved. And before you know it, you started your project, then you continue your project. So that's what I have for you today. Thanks for your time. Thanks for listening. Please, can you subscribe to this YouTube channel? I will promise to be giving you interesting topics about electrical installation and the maintenance of electronics in your house. Once again, my name is Sam. And if you need any electrical services, be it electrical installation for public building, for residential building, or you need an electrical consultation, or you need an electrical designer, so you can contact us. I will put my phone number at the description button. Then we also have a written content, an article to this very, very content I'm talking about. So you can also do well to read it and follow us on every of our social media platform. Thanks for your time.